Welcome lovies, I'm Emerald C and I'm here with a Shein unboxing. Our hefty Shein bag. We just gonna slice it open. All the bags, full of bags. More stuff. Getting a bunch of all this stuff, but here we are. Y'all, I'm so excited. Yes. All right, so let's start opening some of our Shein stuff. This is what I ordered, and this right here is what it looks like. And this is what I ordered right here. And this is what it looks like. So this is what I ordered right here, this little set. And this is what she looks like when she is on. There you go, from head to toe. That's what I ordered right here. And this is what it looks like when she is fully on. Overall, I'm pretty pleased. This is what I ordered. And this is what I look like wearing, like this really soft, cute top crop fuzzy. This is what I ordered right here. And this is what she looks like when we're wearing her. This is what I ordered. This is what I look like in my little warm black winter fall skirt. Right here. This is what I ordered. And this is what I have. And again, just nothing special, just a basic black sweater. That's it. This is what I ordered right here. And this right here is what I look like in our faux leather bottoms. Not too bad, not too bad. This is what it looks like on the website. And this is what they look like on and in an outfit right here. This is what I ordered. This right here is what they look like when I'm wearing them. This is what I ordered. And this right here is what I look like in my black tights, like every other woman who wears black tights. This is what it looks like online on the Shein website. And this is what we look like all dressed up in our bedazzled fishnets. Boom. All right, so next up, there are a couple of like accessories I got from Shein too. This is like a Shimmer body cream. I'm gonna test it right on the back of the hand. Give it a couple of pumps. This is what it looks like in the bottle. Now we're gonna rub her in. Okay, I feel like I used too much because this is a lot. This is way too much. I'm gonna wipe some of it off. Yeah, I don't think I was supposed to use this much. This is what it looks like. This is the hand I did it on first. That's why it's so much on. But this is just with like a little bit. So clearly I don't need this much. Even though it is cute. And last but not least, this. This is another Shimmer. Because clearly I like shimmery stuff. This is body glitter. It is Magic Color Shiner is what it's called. I think I did this wrong. I did. So don't open it like that. Now there's shimmer everywhere in here. Okay. This is the right way to open it. And then, oh, this is nice. So look. Just a little shimmer, just like that. And that'll do. Not the whole thing that I just spilled on my pants. I didn't even spill the whole thing, so there's clearly a lot left, but I dropped a lot. And now I'm gonna be shimmery. Clearly I'm not gonna be able to wear these pants for the rest of the day. That's okay. I'll rub it in, rub it off, we'll see. Anyway, if you liked this video, I encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Toodaloo.